This is a narrated screen recording of the CatForms Records program, and in this video we are covering the recording of classes, class scores, attendance, and conduct from the teacher's viewpoint. We have Mary Smith logging in now, and she's logging in as a teacher for the 20 to 21 school year, and she will be working in my classroom primarily. And if she goes into my staff information, we have information about her. She's a teacher in room 1. She's a primary homeroom teacher. This is her list of classes. We entered an attendance record for her earlier, and we don't have any substitute records for her. And she cannot enter her own attendance and substitute records as a teacher. The principal or the school secretary needs to do that. But here she sees a list of her students. She's got all of those in her homeroom, and we have Darcy's courses added here. But when we go to John Jr., there's no classes. But as a teacher, he is her student, so she can enroll him in classes. And we'll put him in CLE 8th grade reading. We'll save that. We will put him in CLE 8th grade math, and we'll save that. And we will put him in CLE 8th grade language, and we will save that. So we see, we'll refresh this view and we see the 3 classes. We also notice that he has been issued the 801 light units for reading, math, and language. And of course she can enter attendance records for him. We'll go ahead and enter one. He was sick on the 14th in the morning, so he was absent half a day, and that was sick, and it was excused. It goes on his report card. We will save that. And his conduct, we will add a conduct score. He wasn't feeling that great that day, but his behavior could have been better in the afternoon. He was launching objects, and because of that, he got a demerit. That gets reported on his report card. The issue was resolved, so we will save that. And then she'll go ahead and enroll Bill in his classes. And he is in biology and in 11th grade English. We will save that so we see those classes. Refresh it so everything shows up, and then we can enter scores for him. In this case, we'll go ahead and enter a score September 22nd for biology. Well, let's go with language 1101. And we will give him a score of a 95. And we will save that. Refresh the view. Notice that English 2, Book 2, or 1102 has been issued to him as well. And that pretty much, she can also see, here's a list of the actual classes she teaches, the students in each class, and the scores for that class. Let's see, I think Darcy has some language scores, yes. And student attendance, she can see all her students' attendance at once. Student conduct, she can see all her students' conduct records. And here she can see all her students' class scores at once. And that pretty much covers the view that a teacher has.